Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. We are at the KOA campground, very close to Nashville, Indiana, and this is a Luxe Ambition Owners Rally. This is their second year for the Luxe Ambition Owners Rally, and I'm going to take you back to some of the sites that we have. We actually have a front living floor plan here that we're showcasing along with the rally. They have invited us down to be a part of their rally. So this is really exciting. This is just north of Nashville in a little town called Goodlettsville, and it's also real close to Millersville. So these are some of the sites. There is our front living floor plan, and I go down the road here. There's Roger Silva right there. He's the organizer of the rally.
Good morning.
Hi, Roger.
Hi.
So as we go down here, and there's several that have participated this year. We have approximately 12 campers here. So just a real exciting, this is a morning of the 28th, so we're really excited to be a part of this rally. And the Luxes are kind of interspersed in between here. We'll go right down here. Here's one pulled by a beautiful Volvo. He actually has a little smart car that he puts on the back of the Volvo. Got a lot of different combinations of towing vehicles. So hey, isn't this exciting? Give us a call. Let us know what you think. And if you are a Luxe owner or Ambition owner, we'd like to invite you to the next rally. There's going to be some more information coming up as to when that rally is, but keep an eye out. Next year they're going to be choosing a site, and just an awesome group of people to be around. So hey, give us a call, 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.